Hey y'all, if you're like me, you may be eating a little too much over the holidays. I'm toting around mashed potatoes and carrot cake. And seeing how we didn't have enough carrot cake for Easter, I felt obligated to bake another. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's my grandma Harris's recipe, and it's out of this world delicious. Teresa, you got to get you some.
Oh, I will, don't you worry.
Oh my goodness. That's what I was going to have for supper last night. A slice of cake and a big old glass of milk. So that was supper. Well,
Jamaican.
I needed some more supper. So I ate some more. But I came up with this recipe quite a few years ago. You know, I was dieting and I just felt like I had to have something sweet. So I took this little recipe that I had and I just swapped out regular sugar for a sugar substitute. And this is monk fruit. I think this is what Bobby and Cloud use. And it's equal amounts. Let me see. It's equal amounts. So if it calls for a cup of sugar, then you would use the same amount of this. And it calls for 1 cup of a sugar substitute. Let's see, that was a little bit shy, that one was. Yeah, that's probably about right. There's only 4 ingredients in this recipe, y'all. Peanut butter, sugar, egg, and vanilla extract. So now I'm gonna need to measure out 1 cup of peanut butter. Now I happen to like the creamy, so that's what I use. And I squirted that so that peanut butter will come out fairly easy. You know, and to me, peanut butter is a great source of protein. And that's my story. How about you, Eddie?
I like peanut butter.
Is it a protein to you too? A good source of protein?
In the form of a cookie.
And yes. There, I think that might yield us our cup plus. Okay. Okey-dokey. And our 1 egg. And then we're just gonna mix it together. And we're gonna put these in a preheated oven, 350 degrees. And we're gonna bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes. And I will say this about that. This cookie is, because we're using a sugar substitute, it's kind of crumbly. But listen, I can sweep up all them crumbs and get a fix. Okay, so that's it. All I have to do now is add the vanilla. And we're ready to go. The sugar in this vanilla makes that lid hard to get off sometimes. I do love my vanilla. So good. Okie dokie. That's it. Now you can make these any size you want. You can almost kind of roll it in a little ball. And that'll make it easier for me to do the crisscrosses on it. can see, I'm using a little over a scoop, kind of a heaping scoop of peanut butter. Uh-oh, that one's bigger. They're getting bigger. They're getting bigger. A little bit more on this one. There, now those all look like the right size. It's important that that we try to get all of our cookies, raw cookies, the same size, because you want them to cook evenly. So there we go. So easy. And like I said, if you got somebody in your household that's dieting, this will taste like $1 million. To somebody that hadn't had any sugar. All right, you just want to do a crisscross. Just like that, and hopefully we're gonna have a beautiful, delicious cookie. There you go. We're gonna finish filling up the cookie sheet, put them in a preheated 350 degree oven, and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Look at our cookies, y'all. They're just beautiful. And hot, 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 hot. I can't, if I try to take them up too soon, you see what they're gonna do. They're gonna kind of tear up on us. So I'm just gonna let them sit there and cool. And while we're waiting for them to cool, Eddie just walked in here. Excuse me. And said, Paula, a package just came for you. And
it's a Christmas present.
It's a Christmas gift. And Eddie said on the package, it said due to arrive 12/21/21. Is that right, Eddie?
Yes.
I can't believe it. And look at the beautiful envelope. The Mealers from Bishop, Georgia. So I'm opening your gift right here in front of God and everybody. So, oh, Merry Christmas. Love the Mealers. Greg, Sasha, and Aiden. Aiden looks like Henry, doesn't he?
Yeah, sure does.
Yeah, he looks like Henry. One up here. Oh my goodness, how sweet. And Greg did this. From the first episode I watched many years ago, I knew we'd be friends for life. Oh, you bubbly person. Oh. And now we enjoy your Facebook videos. We love the Lady and Sons and Creek House and had dinner at one of the others when we were in Savannah. One evening at the Lady and Sons, how do you pronounce that? Sasha, S-H-A?
Yeah.
S-T-A, Sasha, took a picture of me and you, and that night I nicknamed you Butter. Anyway, I've collected glass ornaments all my life from places we've traveled or things that represent happy time memories. A few weeks ago while we were shopping for Christmas, we came across a perfect ornament that represents you, a glass stick of butter. We had to have it, and also purchased one for you to hang on your Christmas tree. We hope you love it as much as we do. Thanks for always being positive, funny, and entertaining, and mainly for being yourself. You're truly a blessing to our family. I cannot tell y'all what that means to me. May you, Michael, and your family have a Merry Christmas and a prosperous and healthy New Year. Greg, thank you so much for that sweet little short letter. It was short, but you got a lot of stuff in that little bit of 1 page. And I can't wait. You know, at our stores, we have the yellow butter ornaments, and we have the salt and pepper, and we have an actual butter dish. All right, so I'm gonna have to have a knife to get this one open. What you doing, Lou? Where's my knives? Uh-oh, I forgot. I'm trying to multitask, y'all. Can't do it as good as I used to. This is gonna be hard to get into, I think. I can't believe that this got lost in the mail. You know, you hear people say, well, I had to put the check in the mail. It must have gotten lost. But I think this is my first experience with something truly getting lost. Uh-oh, I don't want to break it. Oh, how cute. Now, the ones we have at the store, Greg, they're about half that size. I love this one, though. It's got glitter on it. Fragile, handle with care. I love it. Thank you, Greg and Sasha. I'll hang that proudly on our Christmas tree right up front where we can all see it. Thank y'all. So sweet. They're good, y'all, but like I said, you have to be careful. See how that one wanted to crumble? Listen to Lulu.
You want a cookie?
Pollen has gotten to her so bad.
You want a cookie? You want a cookie?
About 3 or 4 o'clock this morning.
Oh my goodness,
I
look
was
at
up
that.
giving her Benadryl. Because she was crying and scratching and itching. And Gus too. So, this is pretty good, right? For something with no sugar. Michael can eat all that he wants without having to worry. So there we go. I hope that y'all like that. I think I call them magical. What do I call them?
Magical peanut butter cookies.
Yeah, magical peanut butter cookies. Because I thought, you know, no flour. That's crazy. Okie doke. I'm gonna taste that little piece of broken one. It's delicious, y'all. You gotta taste one, Eddie. I almost can tell it's monk fruit instead of sugar. So tell me what you think. Bye, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.